It's been a bit of a frustrating day today. I was hoping to get on with building the tea house, but unfortunately it's been raining all morning and now it's a bit too late to start, so I'm going to do another little job and use up those few stones there to carry on lining the side of the pond here. And you can see that the water level can afford to come up maybe 2 or 3 inches more, but there's a reason why I've left it down that low, because if I brought it up much more it'd be over the top of my boots, so I have to keep it down that low. I didn't waste the day entirely. I bought these artificial lotus flowers which I'm going to have to tether, but now to get on with the stones. Well, at least I've made a bit of progress today, and those walls are lined now with the stones, so, and the 3 lotus flowers are tethered, so they'll float around a little bit. So now to start the long awaited tea house gazebo. This side and this side here are going to be open. This end and the back will be closed with a gate through here so we can get into next door, and steps down here so that we can go into the garden. In the 2 corners I'm going to use 3" by 3" fence posts, and the rest of the framework will be 2 by 3" timber. So we'll get started. Now I want to make the building as low as possible, but when you step off the bridge and underneath and step into the building, that's got to be at a reasonable height, and I'm going to make it 6'3", which is 3 inches shorter than a standard door, and the average person won't have to duck. If you're not average, mind your head. Well, I just managed to get the first 2 corner posts cut to length, and then down came the rain, so I had to rush the electrics in, and now I'm waiting for the rain to stop, if it ever does. Well, there's the forecast for today. Here we are now, and in the afternoon sunny showers, sunshine and some showers, with over 50% chance of rain, so that's not looking very good. So between rain showers I've managed to get the 2 tops notched, ready to accept the cross beams, and now I get these sanded before they stand up, so it's easier to do them when they're lying down, but it depends on the rain. Get up there, the sun is shining, trying to shine through, and over there a nice big dark cloud. Now I don't know what's going to happen. It'd be really good if I could do this inside the garage, but the trouble is there's too much dust and you've got the old classic car in there, so it's got to be outside. I don't know whether you can see it on the video, but everything is wet, and that's because it's been raining off and on all morning. But I've made a start on the tea house, and there it is, the framework going up, and it's rain halted play for the time being. Well, after running in and out several times because of the rain, I managed to get more done than I expected. The outline frame is done, and even the ridge board is on, so I'm well pleased. Well, the following day it rained and rained, and in between rains I dashed out, did a bit of work, and then back in again, and it rained, and then dashed out again, did a bit more. One little job I really must do. I'm fed up with jumping over that hole there to get across to the bridge. So I'm going to do something about it. Well, I have made some progress today then. That hole is nearly dealt with, but I need to go and get some more 6x1 to bridge that. I've got the outline framework up for the porch roof, and that's supported by these two brackets I made, one there and one over there. I don't know if you see that against the sun, but anyway, there it is. And I've also managed to get the first two rafters up on that gable end. So yes, and the sun's come out. Now, after all that rain, the sun's come out. It's really warm, and it's made my my forehead leak, and it's running down into my eyes. So I've sat down for a minute. I'm going to have a can of old Jamaican ginger beer. Lovely stuff. Cheers.